how to enable or disable HDR video on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, swipe up to go down. And in here, tap on Camera. Next, we tap on Record Video. And then we go down and tap on HDR Video. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. It said that if this is turned on, you can record up to 60 FPS video in 10-bit high dynamic range, including Dolby Vision. And that's it. So after that, after you have made the selection, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.